Okay, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a carburetor. Not just any, it's a specific model. You found this on the 450 cross models of dirt bikes. The older Supermotos has one, but it's 450cc. This carburetor comes from Yamaha 426 out of the year 2001. So it's an older model. The model after it is very similar to this, just a few small things, small screws that are different. Piece of paper and of course a pen to write on. And what you have to write down is this little guy here. Some models doesn't have the aftermarket tuning screw, but there will be a flathead screw inside. And what you have to do is count the turns you can turn it inwards. So I have here a 4. I go like a half one full, 1.5, and at 2 it stops. Do not force the screw or it will break. So I have 2 full turns from the fully closed position. Write it down. The adjuster with spring, then a small washer and an O-ring. What I like to do to clean these things is spray them with brake cleaner. Spray in every hole from close, and then blow it out with compressed air. install your choke and hot start. That's easy, just screwing in. That's how you change, how you clean a carburetor. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want more of this.